Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through creating your first and initial map for the Dreame L60 Pro Ultra. If you're interested in the L60, the link to it will be in the video description. So we'll also have linked our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals website. So be sure to shop all those links in the description. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to open up the L60 Pro Ultra within the Dreame app. So we're on the screen right here with the app, L60 Pro Ultra selected. We're going to hit that go button. And that's going to take us into our device settings here, where you'll notice front and center, we have that beige tan button that says Start Fast Mapping. So that's what we want to select. And now we have a quick mapping guide, basically telling you to tidy up your room, open up all the doors and everything, and get this where you want it. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to hit OK. And then you'll notice it will start mapping. I don't want it to actually map right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go set this where I want it around the house. We'll hit that button again and it will go out and start mapping. So I have it positioned where I want it. Start fast mapping, hit OK. Now it's going to dispatch. It'll go out. It'll take anywhere between 5 and 10 minutes, just depending on how large and complex your home environment is for it to go through all the different rooms and map your layout. Once it's done, it'll come back to the station. It will recharge and it will populate your map that then you can choose to edit or keep as is. You can always edit it later as well, but then you can customize your cleaning settings and you'll be good to go. All right, it just finished mapping. Take a look here. It brings up this screen for us automatically. So we can choose to adjust now or skip. I'm looking at the map right now though. And I'm happy with it, so I'm going to select skip, but you have that option. It's going to click you through some of the different settings too as well. But there's our map, populated, everything's all set and ready to go. If you did want to adjust your map, no big deal. So top right hand corner, there's the little X. Below the X, we have the map with pencil icon. That's how we can edit our map, where we have two tabs, map editing and map display. So now from here, you can choose the display settings you want to tweak, or you can edit your map this way as well with a lot of options right there built in. So that's how you can edit your map. So below that X, we have our map icon with a little pencil. We can select that. And now we have two tabs, map editing and map display. So you could choose your display settings you want to edit or back to map editing. You have tons of different options here to really build out and configure your map as you see fit. But overall, simple and straightforward to create a map with the Dreame L60 Pro Ultra.